Okay, y is equals to e power nx is given. We need to find d square y by dx square into d square x by dy square. Okay, that's the next problem. And this is the problem asked in JEE Main 2014. Okay, so I am going to solve this problem now. Have a look. First we need to find d square y by dx square, then find d square x by dy square, multiply at the end, you will get the answer. See, y is equals to e power nx, right? See, I think it is easy to find dy by dx. Derivative of y with respect to x is simply d by dx of e power nx. So it is a function e power something, right? D by dx of e power nx is nothing but n into e power nx. For e power something, for nx it is n into e power nx. And then d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square means what? Differentiating dy by dx with respect to x. Okay. So derivative of dy by dx with respect to x, that is equals to d by dx of n into e power nx. D by dx of n into e power nx. And now you just separate this n into d by dx of e power nx, which is nothing but e power nx into n. Finally that is n square into e power nx. So d square y by dx square is n square into e power nx. So first part is over. Whereas coming to the second part, we need to find d square x by dy square. That means we need to differentiate with respect to y. So y is equals to e power nx, right? So I will rewrite it. Okay. Since y is equals to e power nx, write it like this: log y to the base e is equals to nx. Okay. Now you just differentiate with respect to y. If we differentiate with respect to y, we will get log y. The derivative is 1 by y. Since we are differentiating with respect to y, no need to mention anything. That is equals to n into dx by dy. Differentiating with respect to y. Okay. So one more time you just try to differentiate again with respect to y. 1 by y, if you differentiate with respect to y, that is minus 1 by y square. This side n is a constant into differentiating dx by dy with respect to y is nothing but d square x by dy square. So finally we have that d square x by dy square as minus 1 by ny square, and d square y by dx square is n square into e power nx, which is nothing but n square y. So we need to multiply these two parts. Okay. So final answer. So final answer is nothing but the product of this first one, n square y, and the second one d square x by dy square minus 1 by n y square. Is it right? On simplification, we just cancel out 1 n and 1 y also. We have minus 1 n by y at the end. And that y is e power nx. Since it is in the denominator, send to the numerator, minus n into e power minus nx is the final answer. Okay, have a look.